Alright, welcome to another tutorial. My name is TJ and I'm going to get started. Today I'll be talking about how to install Ghost and how to use this open source CMS on DigitalOcean. Alright, well DigitalOcean has made this step very easy. We're going to go ahead and create the droplet, and I forgot to close out of my application. Hold on a second. And that's closing, and we're good. Alright, so I'm just going to enter a hostname of Ghost. I'm not going to go anything elaborate. It's just the hostname is only there so you know what server is which. Alright, so I'm going to keep it 5 to 12 megabytes, and I'm going to use New York 2 because that's awesome. I'm going to go to Applications, and I'm going to go to Ghost. Alright, now that I have Ghost selected, I am then going to go ahead and press Create Droplet. And a password will be emailed to you, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Gmail, and give me 1 second here. Alright, after I signed in, I'm going to go ahead, go to my Ghost here, and I will see that I have this information here. That's all I need. I just need to know my IP address, which is this. I will go ahead and put that in my browser, and we'll reuse that here in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and use this password. Alright, so as we see, we do have our Ghost set up here. Actually, I don't think we actually need that password, but we'll go ahead and keep that here. We do have to get to our site here, so we're going to have to wait a couple seconds. We're waiting here because it is supposed to show our Ghost blog, and here we are. Okay, we have arrived to our Ghost blogging platform. Now, yes, we are going to need that password, so let's open up SSH, and I happen to be using PuTTY, and I will make sure I have that IP address. I will go ahead and save this as Ghost, and enter. Well, actually, I did not save it correctly, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and enter root and the password that I was emailed. Okay, so once we have that, I'm going to go ahead and set up the domain name. Now, I'm going to make this pretty clear. You're going to want to do, we're going to use nano. How I hate it, but we're going to use nano because it's a lot easier. Nginx, and then conf.d, and then default.conf. So we're going to do that just like so. I'm going to go ahead and press enter, and then I'm going to go down, and you'll see server name, which is my Ghost blog. You're going to want to change that to your domain name. That's a very important topic. And then once you're done with that, that's all you have to do in this in this file. We are then going to go down and press Control X. After you do that, you're going to do Control X, and you have to verify your changes. Now, I'm not going to do that because I'm not actually going to set up a domain with this box right now. So I'm going to go to nano var www ghost and then config.js. Now this here will be actually setting the information for our actual Ghost application here. So we're going to have to go through here and make sure there's anything that's not correct. So anyways, for example, URL, this is going to have to be changed depending on your actual domain name that you set up in the previous step. Now you can go ahead and set up these other things here, but that's not necessarily it's not actually necessary at the moment. So next we're going to go and set up our actual blog. So we're going to do Control X. So after you're done changing your changes, you will have to accept them. So now let's go back to here. No, yeah. Okay, let's go back to here, and let's add Ghost to the end. And we will be prompted to set up our first account, which is what you were trying to do. Alright, so the full name of my account will just be Tyler Ushak. My email address will be tylerushak@gmail.com, and I will go ahead and enter a password of my sort. Alright, I went ahead and set up my account, enter my password, and finish that up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that error message. I do like a ghost of what I see so far. It's pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. So let's go ahead and go to our first post now. Let's go ahead and press edit. And now we'll see that we're actually using Markdown. So we're not actually using a Wikisig by any means. It's just Markdown, which is actually pretty cool. When you go to think about that, this whole site is done with yeah, when it's all done with just this, it's pretty cool. So let's I mean, Ghost is pretty much installed here. If you're yeah, that's what I should probably say. If you were going to go ahead and want to host your domain with DigitalOcean, you can actually do that. So I want to go to DNS, and you're going to go to add a domain. You're going to add the current domain of your domain you want to use with Ghost. You're going to enter the IP address of the server, which is not actually necessary. You want to go select the droplet. You'll automatically put that in. So just the name of the IP address. So in this case, I will just put ghost.com just for the time being. So I'm going to put ghost.com, and then the domain was successfully created, which is good. Now DNS is propagating, and it will not actually propagate because I did not have this correctly set up. That's fine. So in my case, this is fine, not in your case. So all you're going to want to do is have your A record, and then it's just going to be at, that's fine, and then 162.243 or where your IP address is. So that's basically it now. I'm just now going to go back and take a look at Ghost and play around with it. So I went ahead and updated this post, so let's go to the main page here. I know there's a better way to do that, but that's fine. So we see welcome to Ghost. So we should be able to press on that. Sweet. Okay, so let's look Ghost, okay. And then, yeah, it's pretty nice actually. We got an input field. Very nice, very nice. So let's go back. I seen this cool little thing over here. No file chosen. So let's try, I got an image here somewhere. Got earlier. Yeah, let's do this guy. Just kind of curious, seeing what this does. So I'm uploading this image to the server. Alright. Gonna give it a couple seconds here. Alright, so I went ahead and uploaded that, and it's gonna display here. There it is. Alright, there's our image. So we do see that that must have been some kind of an image field. Now I'm not too experienced about this, so this is my first time looking at this. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. I'm going to go ahead and update this post. Alright, your post has been published, so that means if I go back and refresh this page, we should actually see it. And I do. Look at it. Alright, so I want to go back here, and I want to go to this home thing. No, not my ghost block. Now remember, this is in config.js. Remember, we did see that. Now, that's pretty cool I did do this. But that was in one of the config things, and I did not correctly set that up for time being because it's not necessary for me and for this tutorial. So, but I did actually go over that. So anyways, we can create a new post. So let's just say new post. And let's go ahead and have the markdown of welcome. And that means it's bold. Alright, so let's go ahead, and if we press enter without having any kind of tag at the beginning of the line, we should be able to just write a paragraph. So this here is a paragraph. Or no, let's just do no, let's even make this better. Let's just do hello world. And let's change this to hello. I see you have found it to my new ghost block. Alright, so I just kind of made something random. And you cannot actually edit this stuff in this side, which is actually kind of cool. So everything will be done on the Markdown side. So as long as you know Markdown and somewhat of Markdown, you should be fine. So let's just go ahead and save this as a draft. and it has been saved to address. But then I'm going to go ahead and publish. Let's publish now, and press publish. Okay, I went ahead and published that. I then see there's a little gear down here. I want to go ahead and see what this is. So we're seeing that the URL is going to be hello world. That's fine, right? And the publication date will be today. Wait, we can change this? That's cool. Let's change this. So I posted this in 11. I posted this a couple days ago. Or, yeah, let's go ahead and do that first. So I updated this post. Let's go back here to my main Ghost site. And we'll see I post this on 11. That's pretty nifty. Now, I want to go back and try something. Let's see if I can actually post this down the road. Let's say I post this on the 15th. Let's give that a day here. Alright, it looks like it's not actually taking that submission. So let's go back here and take a look. It's not going to actually submit. That's fine. It will not accept the 15th because it's not the 15th yet. I think they should do something now. I think they should allow us to have the 15th, and it should be delayed on the post. But that might be here. I just might not know where that is. So, anyways, I want to now go to my settings. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the more cool stuff here. So the blog title is Ghost. Nah, I don't like that. So I'm going to say my blog. Or my Ghost. Alright, I'm just going to say another cool blog using Alright, you can go ahead and upload a logo or a cover, but for time being, I'm not going to do that. Anyways, you can post per page, let's just say 6, you can do a lot more. And you do have themes, and you can actually install our own. We're just going to have to save this before I go to user. Alright. Looks like I got a pretty cool little user bio here. It looks a lot like Google, if you noticed. Really nice. So, I do see we have an email, location, and website. So, let's go ahead and put the website. That's cool. And bio. Alright, you can go ahead and change your password, but who cares about that? So, anyways, so I'm thinking the bio would be, if we go here, we'll see if we press on hello world, we have double hello world, that's fine. And hello you check, it's not letting me click on that. So I'm thinking maybe it would show me authors, but it does not. So anyways, you can go ahead and tweet these. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Hello world. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to Facebook. See what we can do on Facebook. So, whoops, okay, that's fine, because I now completely set that up. So, anyways, I'm going to go back to my site, and we see it's still my Ghost. And let's go back to the dash panel here. It's pretty cool. Let's go to your profile. Yeah, it's still not what I was trying to find. They might have not actually released it yet. Yeah, so anyways, that's it for this tour. I will actually make more here down the road for Ghost, because I do like Ghost. It's pretty nice. I haven't seen anything quite like it yet. Really simple. You can also tag stuff. Let's add a tag. Hello. Enter world. Nice, I love it. Update post. Alright, let's go back here. We should see tags. And we do not see tags there, so probably if you go here, we should see a tag somewhere. I don't see tags. Why? What's the purpose of tags if you don't see them? You don't know. Alright, I still have a pretty good opinion on Ghost. It is pretty nice. I would suggest it to others. So thank you for taking a look at this tutorial here. Go ahead and set up Ghost on your DigitalOcean droplet and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions for any future tutorials of any sort, go ahead and let me know. I would be glad to cover them because I do like Ghost. And I was trying to find this UI the board they have. This is the main board. I'm trying to find that. But anyways, thanks for watching this, and this is what I was talking about right here. I don't see the dashboard though. but we'll go over this in another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.